Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing great. Today we are going to look at the top features that are available on Oneplus 10T. As usual, let's not waste the time, we'll directly jump into the video. The first feature would be you can lock your photos and videos without any third-party app. For that, open menu, go to gallery. On the bottom you can see photo option. Long press that, you'll get option to create new password. Once you enter the new password, it will ask for the recovery information. Once you enter those information, finally now you can add all the photos and videos which you want to log. Hereafter, whenever you want to access those logged photos and videos, you have to go to gallery, long press the photos. Now you have to enter the password. Finally, you can access all those photos and videos which you logged. Next, if you want to set unique wallpaper for your always on display, then you can try this option. Open menu, go to settings, select personalization option, select always on display. Now enable always on display. Bottom you can see canvas option, click that. It will ask for two options, choose from album or camera. Just click choose from album option and choose any photo that you want to set as a unique wallpaper for your lock screen. Once you click generate option, it will create unique outline drawing of the picture. Now you can set this as your always on display wallpaper. The next feature is you can change your fingerprint scanning animation. For that, open menu, go to setting, go to personalization options, scroll down to bottom. You can see an option called fingerprint animation. Just click that. Now you can change your fingerprint scanning animation from here. Also, if you want to change your icon and icon text size, you just need to open menu, go to setting, select personalization option. Now you can see icon option below always on display. Just click that. Scroll down to bottom. Now you can see icon and app name. Now just by moving the slider, you can increase or decrease the size of icon names. The next feature is related to privacy and security. Now you can hide your apps more securely and you can lock your app without any third-party application. To do that, go to menu, go to setting, select privacy option. On there you can see app lock and hide apps. Just click the app lock, it will ask for your privacy password. Once you enter the password, it will ask you to enable app lock option. Once you enable, now you can choose the apps which you want to lock. Hereafter, whenever you want to open the locked app, it will ask you for the password. To hide apps, same procedure. Instead of app lock, you need to select hide apps. Once you click hide app, it will ask you to enter the privacy password. Once you entered, it will show all the apps on your phone. Now you can choose which and all the app you want to hide. Once you choose the app, it will show new option to set up access code. The access code could be anything that should be start with hash and it has to be end with hash. For example, our code is #000 hash. Once you enter the access code, click save. So hereafter, whenever you want to open your hidden app, just open phone, click dialer option, now enter the code. Once you enter the code, it will show all the hidden apps on your phone. The next feature would be really helpful if you are buying a new Oneplus phone. You have Clone App default, or if you are using any other brand phone, you can download Clone App from Play Store. Just open app on both phone. On old device, you need to choose this is old device. On new device, you need to choose the option this is new device. Once you click, scanner will open on the old phone and a QR code will show on new phone. You just need to scan the QR code. Immediately, it will start transfer all your data to the new phone. The next option is for the people who leave their phone on charging for the whole night. Just open setting, select battery, then select advanced option, then enable optimized night charging. Hereafter, you no need to worry even if you left your phone on the charger for the whole night. While giving your phone to your friends, if you don't want to see them what's in your recent tab, then you can do this. Just open multitask window, click three dot and click hide content. Hereafter, whenever you open particular app, after you minimize, if you go to multitasking page, it will hide the content. The next major thing is the phone comes with 150 watts fast charging adapter and the brand promises to charge from 0 to 100, it will take only 19 minutes. Let's test it out. It took around 20 minutes to charge from 0 to 20 and it took around 8 minutes to charge from 0 to 50. It took almost 17.5 minutes to charge from 0 to 90 and it took almost 21 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. Also, the phone comes with inbuilt screen recording option. To record your screen, open notification center and swipe right. Now you can see screen recording option. Just click it. A new floating icon will appear. Click record button. Now it will start record your screen. And next, there are lots of features on the display setting. To enable it, open setting, select display and brightness. Now you can change your phone to dark or light mode. Just scroll down. You can see image sharpener. By enabling it, you can enjoy more sharper video content. Also, there is an option to enable video color enhancement. Once you enable it, when you are watching a video, the colors will be more pop and vibrant. The next option is there is a bright HDR mode. Once you enable that option, whenever you watch HDR content, the details will be more bright. The next feature is you can launch any specific app or function directly from your fingerprint sensor. To enable it, go to setting, choose special feature, then choose quick launch option. Here you can enable quick launch function and you can add functions or app that you want to quick launch directly by pressing fingerprint sensor. The next feature is screen of gesture. There are few predefined gestures features like M, W, you can swipe up, down or left and right. Go to setting, select special feature, scroll down, select gesture and motion. There you can see screen of gesture. Once you click it, you can enable few predefined gestures. Once you enable it, by doing a specific gesture, you can directly open any app or you can set any predefined functions. Also, you can add expanded RAM up to 7 GB. To expand it, go to setting, select about phone, select RAM expansion. There you can expand up to 3 GB, 5 GB or 7 GB. If you want to increase your device performance, then go to setting, select system setting, select RAM boost. By enabling the RAM boost, you can increase speed of your device. The next feature is you can attend or mute your call without touching your phone using add gestures. To enable it, go to settings, select special feature, select gestures and motion, then click add gestures. There it will show option called answer or mute calls. Just click the option. Now you can enable this function. Now you can attend or mute the call without touching your phone. If you want touch function for all your physical buttons, then you can enable this function on your mobile. Go to setting, select system setting, then select accessibility. There you can see accessibility menu option. Just click it. Now you can see option to enable shortcuts. Just enable it. There will be new floating icon will appear on your screen. Just by clicking it, now you can use all your physical button features directly from here itself. The next feature is you can use multiple apps at the same time using split screen option. To enable the split screen option, just swipe with 3 fingers from bottom of your screen. Now the phone will enter into split screen mode. The current app which you are using will go on the top. Now you can choose the second app which you want to use. Once you click the app, it will be appear on the bottom. Now you can use both apps. One will be on top and another one will be on the bottom. That's it for today. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.